Our tried and tested workshop approach to web design allows you to have a new website up and running within 4 hours. How do we do it? Let's take a look. Over the years, we've worked with a number of different businesses, ranging from holiday lets to corporate websites to e-commerce sites. We've worked with them all. And through that, we've known the ins and outs for each individual business. As we built these sites, we began creating our own templated websites, which can be used as a starting point for our web design process. So rather than building a website from the ground up, which can have additional costs, we have pre-made sites which can be customized to suit your business and your brand. We've built a template library on Pixelhaze Academy, which has a long list of templated sites, which either you can start playing around with, or we use in our workshop approach and get it done alongside you. We can install your branding, add in your content, videos, images, anything like that, while the skeleton of the site is in place. First stage of the workshop process is the design stage. We get you in the studio or over video and discuss your requirements for the site. Based on your needs, we will select a template and we will then begin changing or adapting anything that you require. Once we have the content from you, we can begin installing that into the site. Any part of this can be changed, so we can add in your logo, your colors, your fonts, anything to make it unique to you. Within 4 hours, we can go from a selected template to your own unique website. If you're interested in one of our web design workshops, please get in touch and we'll be happy to launch your new website.